Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast without vanilla and cinnamon easy guide. Start by whisking 3 large eggs with 1 cup milk, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon sugar until smooth. Dip 4 thick slices of bread briefly, coating both sides. Heat 2 tablespoon butter in a skillet over medium heat and cook slices 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown and cooked through. Use dairy alternatives and flavor swaps when vanilla and cinnamon are missing. Try 1 tsp lemon zest, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, or 1 tsp orange juice for brightness. Add 1 tablespoon cocoa powder for a chocolate twist, or fold in 2 tablespoon cream cheese for richness. Toast bread longer for firmer texture, and rest dipped slices 1 minute before cooking to prevent sogginess. Serve with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. On another note, Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes kitchen cleanups effortless and frees you to plate French toast. I love its mapping and automatic recharge. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for helping the channel grow. Now let's get back to the video. To avoid soggy French toast, avoid soaking bread for too long and use day-old or slightly stale bread. Whisk eggs and milk until uniformly blended and season lightly with salt. Maintain medium heat so custard cooks through without burning. Use a non-stick pan or well-seasoned skillet and add 1 tsp butter per batch for golden edges. Keep finished slices warm in a low oven while you finish the rest, then serve immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.